Alright, here we go. Okay, let's have some fun. Ho, ho, ho. Too much trouble there. Very interesting. That's too much. It was fun, but I'm not particularly liking that. Oh, it might be too much. Let's try going down a little bit. Now let's turn this way up. Honestly, that probably sounds the best. If you're out in the middle of a forest and you start hearing that sound, you might be a little freaked out.